Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you the practical step-by-step that you need to take for you to be able to buy or sell Bitcoin or any other crypto on the Binance platform. Okay, this video is just going to be absolutely beta kind of a video. Okay, so stick with me on the video. Let me go straight to my system and show you exactly how to go about this. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, so like I told you from the intro of the video, I'll be showing you how you can buy and sell Bitcoin or any other coin on the platform of Binance. Okay, in this case we'll be using P2P. Okay, now that P2P is the platform that actually enables you to have one-on-one trade with whoever you're going to be buying or you'll be selling crypto with on the Binance platform. Okay, so let me just go straight to the video and show you exactly how this thing works. Okay, so you have to come down here. Now this is the Binance platform. Okay, if you are not signed up to Binance yet, I'm going to be dropping a link right below this video. Just go to the description of this video. The first link you're going to be seeing in the description of this video will be the link to Binance. Okay, just sign up on Binance either with your phone number or with your email, and you will have opportunity to trade on Binance. Okay, remember the link will be in the description. Okay, so you just come down here to where it says wallet. You can see where it says wallet here. Okay, just click on this wallet here. Okay, when you click on this wallet, it's going to bring you here. When it brings you here, you're going to see something like overview here. You're going to see spots, you're going to see funding, you're going to see margin and future. Okay, for the purpose of what we want to do on Binance, just make sure that you choose this funding here. Okay, click on this funding here, right? Then you come down here where it says P2P. Okay, you can see this P2P here now. Just click on this P2P. So when you click on this P2P, it's going to bring you here. It's going to show you the risk involved in this trade. This is not like to scare you, it's just to tell you what you need to know about cryptocurrency. Okay, so here on this interface, you can see up here we have buy. Okay, you make sure you are on buy if you want to buy either USDT, Bitcoin, or any crypto on Binance, or if you want to sell, then you're going to click on this one that says sell. When you click on sell, you can see it's going to change. You can see we now have sell here. This button is already there now. But if we go to buy, you can see it is going to change, and you can see this button has changed to green here. Okay, so now on this particular interface, assuming you want to buy Bitcoin or USDT, okay, let's assume you want to buy USDT. Let's use USDT as an example now. Here you can see people selling, right? Now you can see this guy saying is going to be selling 1 USDT for 740.99 naira. Okay, you can see this one says he's going to sell his own for 740.99 naira. Okay, now you can see this thing is showing naira here because I'm making this video from Nigeria. Okay, but let's assume you are in South Africa, you are in Ghana, Kenya, Cameroon, or any other country, and you want to buy Bitcoin with your own currency. You have to come up here. You can see up here where it's showing NGN. This NGN actually means Nigeria. This is the symbol of Nigerian currency. You're going to click on this. Just click on this. So when you click on this, you can see different other currencies here. Okay, so you can look for your own country currency. Okay, if you're in Ghana, or just type just type your country name here up on this box. Just say like Ghana. Okay, you see Ghana. Well, if you say Ghana, you see it's going to give you GHS. Okay, so this is the Ghana currency, right? So any country you are, just type in your country abbreviation here, then it's going to give you your country currency here. Okay, so let's get started. Now here I'm going to be buying some coin. Okay, there are two methods you can use to buy this coin. Is either you buy directly on this P2P here, or you can also come up here. Okay, now these are private individuals. Okay, you can see K-Lord, you can see Lord Tex, you can see Otumba. Okay, you can see Dice Exchange. These are different guys here selling Bitcoin, USDT, Bitcoin, or whichever coin you want to buy here. Okay, if you come up here, you can see this is USDT. You can see this is BTC. You can see this is BUSD. You can see this is BNB. So whichever one you want to buy, you just click on it. Let's assume you want to buy BTC. You can just click on this BTC here. See, it has changed to BTC now. Okay, but for more clarity, that is why I'm using USDT, because it will be very easy for you to understand with USDT, and the same thing is applicable to every other coin. Okay, so let's go back to the USDT. I'm sorry this video is going to be a bit lengthy, but I just want to make sure I take it step by step so that you'll be able to understand everything about this P2P purchase and sell. Okay, so here now, let's assume you don't want to buy directly from any of those guys. You want Binance to give you somebody that they feel the price and the integrity of the person is the best. Okay, you just come up here and click on this P2P here. When you click on this P2P, then click on this Express. Okay, now when you click on this Express, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, so let's assume we want to buy 10,000 naira worth of USDT. Okay, you're going to come here, you're going to come into this box and you're going to type 10,000 naira here. Okay, now remember, if it is BTC, it's the same process. Okay, just type 10,000 naira here. Then you're going to click on this, just allow it to be on this payment method here. Okay, then you're going to click on this buy with zero fee. Now when you click on this buy with zero fee, it's going to bring you here. Now when it brings you here, now this is, you can see best offer. Binance is telling you that this is the best offer they can get this USDT for you, 742 naira 29.29. Okay, so 742 naira, right? And for this 10,000 naira that you'll be buying USDT, you're going to get 13.47 USDT. Okay, you're going to get this amount. So, and it's going to be bank transfer, meaning that you're going to be transferring 10,000 naira to the account number that, if we click on this purchase, we're going to be getting an account number. Okay, so let me click on this confirm purchase now. Okay, you can see I have created an order already, right? You can see I've created an order now. So what I need to do is this. I'm going to be paying this person 10,000 naira. Okay, you can see the amount of for one USDT is going to cost you 742 naira. Okay, and you're going to be getting 13.47 USDT. Now, for you to get the account number of this seller, okay, of this guy, the name of the guy is called Semperie 1. Okay, so for you to get this guy's account number to send this 10,000 naira to, you're going to click on this make payments. Okay, when you click on this make payments, here is going to show you the guy's account number. Okay, you can see this is the guy's account number. You have to pay to his OP. This is OP, his account is OP, right? This is his name. Make sure that the name correspond on your bank app or your USSD that you're going to be sending the money from. Okay, Christian Chigozie Maduabuchi. Okay, you're going to send in this money to the guy. Now, you can also decide to chat the guy. Remember, you have just 13 minutes. Okay, you have 13 minutes to pay this guy. So you're going to click on this chat if you want to chat with the guy. Okay, you can decide to type message here. Okay, you can decide to chat him here, right? Okay, then after you must have transferred the money to him, for you to get that USDT, then you're going to come down here and click on transferred notify seller. Okay, you're going to click on this transferred notify seller. So be conscious of this time. Make sure that whatever you are going to be doing, the transfer and everything, you do it before this time elapses. Okay, so after you do that, you're going to get the person is going to confirm the money in his own account. Okay, and is going to release that 13.2 whatever USDT to you. Okay, so that's how that actually works. Okay, let me go back, because I'm not going to buying this. Let me go back. I'm just going to show you, because we are taking this tutorial. I just showed you that other one through the Express, right? I just showed you through the Express. So here now we're going to be doing through the P2P. P2P means that you want to choose the seller by yourself. You don't want Binance to give you the seller. You want to choose it by yourself. Okay, so here you're going to choose either any of those sellers. Okay, and you're going to buy from that person. Now if you check here, you're going to see this tick. You see this tick. What this actually means that these are people that are selling on Binance that are verified by Binance. Okay, because if you check them, then you can see this guy have made trade of 2,744 trade. This one I've made trade of 277 trade. You can see this one I've made 1,601 trade. You can see their rates. This one have 95.30%, 95%. This one have 91%. This one have 100%. Okay, so you see that their percentage is high. Now, the higher the percentage of the seller, the better it is. It means that this person has more trust. That is, it's like review. This person has more better review. Okay. Now, if you don't want to buy from any of those persons, okay, because if you check, sometimes their own rate is a bit, it's just slightly high, not like it's much high. But if you don't want to buy from them, you can come to this place where it says filter here. Okay, click on this filter. When you click on this filter, you come down here, then uncheck this one where it says only show ads from merchants. Okay, you can decide to uncheck it. Okay, then make sure that you put it on this all. Okay, now if you put it on this all, it means that you can buy from anybody that receive transfer. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing more about this. Okay, and just click on this confirm here. Okay, you can see here, you can see that the price has reduced a bit to 739 instead of that 740, right? It's just slight difference. The difference is not actually much. Okay, now there's something else I want to show you about those figures you see here. Okay, now you see here where it says this Charlie 18. Okay, it says crypto amount. This guy in his possession, he has only 125 USDT. Okay, limit, this limit here says 5,000 to 8,000 naira, meaning that you cannot buy anything less than 5,000 naira from this guy. If you want to buy crypto, if you want to buy USDT or 4,000 naira, this guy is not ready to sell. Okay, he can only sell from 5,000 naira to 8,000 naira. Okay, now if you come down here, you can see this one has its crypto amount is 158 USDT. Okay, you can see its limit is 4,000 naira to 7,000 naira, meaning if you want to buy from 4,000 naira to 7,000 naira, this guy is ready to sell for you. Okay, and you can see his limits, his competition, his percent is high. It means that this guy has been trading very well. Then you can see this, you can see his trade. He has traded 915 trade. Okay, now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be buying just 5,000 naira worth of USDT from this guy. Okay, so there's one other thing I want you to always check out again. Okay, you can see down here it says bank transfer. Make sure that whoever you're going to be sending to has this bank transfer under here, this bank transfer. Okay, so let's buy from this guy. For the purpose of this video, let's buy worth of 5,000 naira from this guy. So I'm going to be clicking on this buy here. Okay, then I'm going to put 5,000 naira here. I'm going to be putting 5,000. Okay, so I'm going to be buying worth of 5,000 from this guy. You can see I'm going to be getting USDT of 6.76 USDT from this guy. Okay, and in 15 minutes it's going to be releasing my USDT. Okay, so make sure that you read their terms also sometimes. Okay, I don't accept payment from third party. This actually means that don't send money to this guy from any other person's account except your account. Okay, you see, he repeated it again. I don't accept. So don't, make sure that the money you're going to be sending to this guy is from your own personal account. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to click on buy with zero fee. Okay, so I'm going to come down here. I'm going to make payments. Click on make payments here. Okay, so here now I'm going to see it's using Kuda account. You can see bank name Kuda. You can see account number. This is account number. So I'm going to click. Let me copy his account number and quickly send money to him. Okay. So let me quickly send the money to him, and I'm going to come back here and show you the progress. So as you can see here now, I just sent the money to the guy. You can see it says successful here, right? After sending the money to him, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on transfer. Okay. So now this guy will be notified, okay, that I have sent money to him, and he's going to be releasing this amount of crypto to me, this 6.57 USDT to me. Okay, mind you, you don't have any fear when you're going into this kind of transaction with these guys. Okay, because the issue is this: Binance is already in custody of this guy USDT. Okay, so it cannot run away with my funds. Okay, it cannot run away with my funds. there's something called escrow. Okay, so in that escrow, Binance have taken possession of this guy USDT already. Okay, so he has no option than to release my USDT to me, so meaning that my money is secured. Okay, provided I have evidence that I've sent the money to him. So I'm just going to be waiting for him to release the crypto, and I'm going to be showing you the release of the crypto. Okay,
A few minutes later.
okay, so guys, you can see it just released the crypto to me. The 6.75 crypto USDT has been released to me. Okay, so this is a confirmation that he has received the money, and now he has given me what I ordered for. Okay, so now I'm going to be giving him a positive review because the guy was actually fast. Okay, so if you are not satisfied with the transaction, you can give the person a negative, but for this I'm satisfied. I'm going to give the guy a positive recommendation. Okay, so it's going to go through now. So now quickly let me show you now where I have the USDT in my account. Okay, so if you go to my, if I come up here and if I refresh, if you check here now, you can see that there's no, you can see there's no USDT here now, right? Now let me refresh so that you see that the 6 point something will show there. Now you can see, so you can see I have the 6.7 USDT that I just purchased. Okay, now let me quickly show you how you can decide to sell this USDT also. Okay, you remember the one we did is just to buy. Okay, so you're going to click on this P2P again. Okay, now you're going to click on this sell because now we want to sell. Okay, click on this sell. Okay, when you click on this sell, right, you're going to be selling this USDT. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is this. I'm going to be looking for somebody that wants to buy this amount of that wants to buy this amount of USDT that I have, the 6.7. Right. See, this person is willing to buy anything from 4,000 naira to 5,000 naira a year. Okay, so what you need to do is to sell that amount that I have. Is just to click on this sell. Okay, if I click on this sell now and I put the amount of USDT that I have and I click on this sell, okay, then automatically this person is going to pay this money into my account. Okay, so if you can see the process, if you understand the process that I used while I was buying, it's the same process. Okay, so if I click here now, click on sell with zero fee now, then automatically this transaction is going to go through. Okay, and the person is going to credit my account. It's going to credit my account with this amount of money, and I'm going to release this 6.75 USDT to him. It's just the same process. Okay, just come up here and try it, and you're going to see that it's going to be seamless process for you. Okay, now you might want to ask me, how are you going to add your bank account? How are you going to add your bank account to your Binance? Okay, let me quickly show you that. Okay, just go to the home of your Binance. Okay, now this is the home, this is the interface of my Binance. Look at your profile up here. Okay, you see your profile up here, just click on this, your profile up here, then you scroll down where it says payments. You can see payments here, just click on this payment. Okay, you can see it says P2P payment method. Click on it. Okay, so you can see my own bank account. So here, if you want to add your bank account, you just click here. Okay, then choose the first one that says bank transfer. Okay, then you'll be able to put in your account number here, your name, your bank name here. Okay, then just leave this one, then you're just going to click on confirm. Okay, then that's your bank account number. Whenever you want to sell crypto, whenever you want to sell, that is the account number the person is going to be paying into for you. Okay, so whenever you come up here now, you click on this sell here and you follow that process that I showed you, right? If you follow that process that I showed you, right, that is the account number the person is going to be paying to you. Okay, it's a very simple process. Okay, just if you don't try it, you will not understand it. So just make sure that you follow it step by step, like I showed you, and you'll be able to get this through. Okay, I want to believe you got value from this video. I'm sorry the video is lengthy, but I was just trying to make sure that you get every necessary information you need about this step by step, okay, on P2P. Okay, now if you've not subscribed to my channel before now, I would really appreciate you if you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and also I will appreciate if you give this video a like. Okay, give the video a thumbs up. I would really like that, and I would really appreciate you for that. Okay, Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Do take care of yourself and bye bye.